What's up, YouTube? Today we're looking at a Joseph Rodgers & Son knife out of Sheffield, the Regimentals. I've had another one of these. I always see them on eBay. I've started picking them up and giving them away as gifts because they're never expensive, but they're always quality. What a great combination of conditions. Metal tweezers, nice. I haven't really given this the walk around, so this will be my genuine reaction. That's good. A little toothpick. Okay. And then we've got this. And I think that this is also, oof. That's some kind of punch. That will break off my fingernail, so that one will not be opened. Okay, that one's chill. Chill, nice. Chill, okay. What is this? Oh, we got a saw. We got a saw here. I don't know if that would actually do anything. Maybe. And then, oof. That is a little stiff. There we go. Well, that's the walk around. Nice piece. A little stiff on the pole for me anyway, but maybe not for you. And that's about all she wrote for this one. Like, comment, subscribe if it's not too much trouble. I try to answer your not answer, really just respond to your guys' comments. Sometimes I don't see them for a minute. YouTube does not really do a great job of notifying me. I guess I should check more, but, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, hope you folks have a good rest of your day. That's all for now.